not receiving your WhatsApp verification code. Stay with us as we guide you through the fixes step by step. Let's dive right in. WhatsApp verification codes are crucial for activating your account. So first things first, ensure you've entered the correct phone number, including the country code. So after doing that, the next step is to check for network issues. Poor network connection can delay or prevent your code from arriving. Try moving to an area with better receptions or switch to a different network if possible. So the third step is to clear your phone's SMS memory. If your SMS memory is full, new messages can't come in. Delete some messages and try requesting the code again. If SMS verification fails, WhatsApp offers a call me option after a few minutes. Use this feature to receive your code through a phone call. So the next step is to contact your service provider. Sometimes the issue might be with your service provider blocking automated text. Give them a call to ensure there is no such block on your number. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp. This can often reset the app's functionality and solve your problem. And there you have it, some steps to fix the issue of not receiving your WhatsApp verification code. We hope one of these solutions worked for you. If it did, or if you have any other tips, share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.